Are you looking to shed those extra pounds and considering vegan meal replacement shakes? In this video, we will explore whether vegan meal replacement shakes are suitable for weight loss. Let's start by understanding what vegan meal replacement shakes are. These are plant-based protein shakes designed to provide all the essential nutrients needed for a meal. They often contain a blend of proteins, vitamins, minerals, fiber, and other beneficial ingredients to support a balanced diet. Vegan meal replacement shakes come with several benefits. Firstly, they offer convenience as they can be prepared quickly and consumed on the go. Secondly, they are usually low in calories, making them suitable for weight loss goals. Additionally, they are rich in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps you feel fuller for longer. While vegan meal replacement shakes can be helpful for weight loss, it's essential to consider a few factors. Firstly, choose shakes with a balanced macronutrient profile. Look for options that contain a good balance of protein, carbs, and healthy fats. Secondly, ensure that the shake provides adequate nutrition and doesn't leave you feeling deprived. Remember, weight loss is not just about drinking shakes. It's crucial to incorporate regular exercise and whole foods into your routine. Combine your vegan meal replacement shakes with a well-rounded fitness regimen and a diet consisting of whole, nutritious foods for optimal results. In conclusion, vegan meal replacement shakes can be suitable for weight loss when used as part of a balanced diet and active lifestyle. They offer convenience, low-calorie content, and necessary nutrients. However, it's important to remember that they should not be used as a sole source of nutrition. Always consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian before making any significant changes to your diet.